In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from MoneyGram to GCash. Before we start, make sure your GCash app is updated and that you have a stable internet connection. Have the MoneyGram reference number ready, exactly as it appears from the sender's receipt or confirmation. It also helps if your GCash account is fully verified and the name on your GCash matches the name on the MoneyGram transaction, because mismatched details can cause delays. Keep in mind that standard limits and any applicable fees or exchange rates may apply, depending on your account and the remittance. Go ahead and open the GCash app on your phone. From the home screen, look for the Cash In option. This is where you'll find all the different ways to add funds to your wallet. Tap Cash. In to continue. On the Cash In page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap the search bar and type MoneyGram. Be sure you're selecting the official MoneyGram option that appears in the results. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list of partners until it shows up, then tap it to proceed. You'll now be prompted to enter the details of your remittance. Start with the amount you want to receive in your GCash wallet. Enter it carefully and make sure it's within your cash-in limits. If the sender specified a certain amount, match that so the transaction goes through smoothly. Next, enter the MoneyGram reference number. Type it exactly as provided with no extra spaces. This number uniquely identifies your transfer, so double-check each digit before moving on. After that, you'll be asked for the purpose of remittance. Choose the most accurate reason from the available options, such as family support, personal expense, or other appropriate categories. Providing correct information helps with compliance and prevents issues later. When everything looks accurate, tap Next. Follow the prompts on your screen to review your details and confirm the transaction. You may be asked to verify via a one-time PIN or confirm some personal information. Take a moment to read any summaries, fees, or notes that appear before you finalize. Once confirmed, wait for the success message. You should see a confirmation in the app and, in many cases, receive a text message as well. The funds will be credited directly to your GCash wallet and will appear in your balance. If you don't see the money right away, refresh your app, ensure the reference number is correct, and confirm that the sender has completed their side. If issues persist, reach out to GCash support or MoneyGram with your reference number for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from MoneyGram to GCash.